Welcome back friends. Today we are going to solve an example on geometric mean. So given that if g1, g2, g3 are the three geometric means between m and n, then we have to show that g1 into g3 is equal to g2 square is equal to mn. So the three given geometric means are g1, g2, g3, and also said that these three geometric mean are between m and n. So let us write m in the beginning of these three geometric means and n at the end. So we get here a value as m and second term as g1, third term as g2, fourth term as g3 and fifth term as n if all these five geometric means are in geometric progressions. Then we have here t2 divided by t1 is equal to t3 divided by t2 is equal to t4 divided by t3 is equal to t5 divided by t4. It is nothing but the ratio between the terms. So let us substitute all the values here. We get t2 as g1 divided by m is equal to g2 divided by g1 is equal to g3 divided by g2 is equal to n divided by g3. And now let us equate the extreme values. So on equating we get g1 divided by m is equal to n divided by g3. So on cross multiplying this would come as g1 into g3 is equal to m into n. Now let us consider this as equation 1. And now let us consider the middle two terms. g2 divided by g1 is equal to g3 divided by g2. On cross multiplying this would come as g1 into g3 is equal to g2 square. Now let us consider this as equation 2. So from equation 1 and equation 2 we have g1 into g3 as a common is equal to g2 square is equal to mn. So this is nothing but the required condition. So hence we proved the given condition. So this is how we solve an example on geometric mean. Hope you understood the concept. Refer to more videos on our channel Vidish Academy on progressions. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.